Take shorter showers and keep the water at a comfortable temperature. Turn off the water and sit down if you feel your heart racing or experience any pain. If you have heart problems, don't take long hot showers. And as always, pay attention to your body. Stop right away if something doesn't feel right. It's not just the temperature of the water that matters when you shower. Your skin could be getting hurt too. Here's what you should know. Long showers and too much soap might hurt your skin. Our skin gets thinner and drier as we get older. Long hot showers take away the oils that your skin naturally has, making it more likely to break, get irritated, and get infections. What happens if you take too long in the shower or use strong soaps? Using harsh, rough soaps and hot water might dry out your skin. Your skin may become itchy and dry, and you may be more likely to get infections, especially if your skin is already thin and delicate. How do you keep your skin safe? Take short showers of 5 to 10 minutes and use lukewarm water. Instead of harsh soaps, choose soft, moisturizing ones. And don't forget to put on lotion once you get out of the shower to keep your skin hydrated. People in Mediterranean regions use soap made with olive oil, which is good for the skin and doesn't dry it out. It's a simple and natural choice that can help maintain your skin healthy and well-fed. When you shower, the time of day can be just as significant as how you shower. Let's talk about why timing is important. Taking a shower after meals, the danger you don't know about. If you're feeling lethargic, it's easy to want to hop in the shower straight after a meal. But did you know that this could be bad for your health? What makes it dangerous to shower after eating? After you eat, your body sends more blood to your digestive system, which means there is less blood available for other things you do, like standing in the shower. This can make you feel dizzy or faint, especially if you're older. What can you do to avoid this? After eating, you should wait at least 30 minutes to an hour before taking a shower. This lets your body focus on digestion without putting too much stress on your circulatory system. You might not think about it, but bad lighting in the bathroom could be a hidden danger. This is why you should pay attention to the light in your shower area. Bad lighting and visibility. Bad lighting can make the shower a dangerous area for older people who have trouble seeing. It's easy to miss soap, bottles, or even the edge of the shower, which might cause mishaps. What can you do to keep yourself safe? Make sure there is enough light in your shower. Put in lights that are bright and even, or utilize lights that turn on when you walk in. This will help you see clearly as you shower, which will lower the chance of mishaps. Let's go over the most common shower dangers and how to avoid them. Slipping and falling, becoming dizzy from hot water, straining your heart, damaging your skin, and showering too soon after eating. You may make bathing a safe part of your routine by making a few easy changes, such as changing the water temperature, using non-slip mats, and putting in grab bars. Please like, share, and subscribe if you thought this video was helpful. You'll keep getting suggestions on how to live a longer, healthier, and happier life after 60, as long as you stay subscribed. You deserve to feel good and be safe in the shower. As we get older, even basic things like taking a shower can be dangerous in ways we don't see. Did you know that the toilet is one of the most dangerous locations in the house for older people? When we're only attempting to wash up, slips, falls, and even heart attacks can happen right in front of us. Think about it. How many times have you gotten out of the shower and felt dizzy or lightheaded? Or maybe you lost your footing while trying to take up that slick soap. What if I told you that this might not be as safe as it looks? A lot of people don't realize how dangerous it is to take a shower. But today, we're going to show you how to be safe by revealing the hidden dangers in your restroom. You should stay here for this crucial information. In the comments, please tell me where you are watching from and how old you are. I read every story, and every message you send are important. If you want to learn about simple, science-based ways to stay strong and happy after 60, sign up for LUR Health and Lifestyle and click the bell button so you never miss the next small change that could make your nights better. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let's make sure your showers are safe and delightful. You might be startled to learn that the shower is one of the most dangerous areas in your home. Let's find out why. The risk of slips and falls. Seniors' biggest worry in the toilet is slipping and falling, and for good reason. The floor of the shower can be very slippery, especially when it's wet. The The risk goes up considerably greater if you have tiling or a bathtub. Our equilibrium isn't as good as it used to be as we become older. When we lose our footing, our muscles and joints are tight, which makes it tougher to move fast. Did you know that every year, 1 in 3 seniors over 65 will fall? That's a terrible number, and the shower is one of the most likely places for it to happen. So what can you do to keep yourself safe? First, put down mats or treads that don't slip. These are really important for keeping you stable. Grab bars are another thing you need. Put them in important places like next to the bathtub or on the wall of the shower to help you keep your balance. People in Japan often sit on a little stool to wash their hands and then stand up to shower. This lowers the chance of dizziness and also keeps older people more stable. This is a simple yet effective thing to do that can make a significant difference. Always take your time when you get in and out of the shower. If you're in a hurry, you can get hurt, so take your time before you move. And don't forget to dry your feet well before you go outside. The floor of the bathroom can be just as slippery as the shower. Do you think you know all the dangers of taking a shower? This is something that most people don't think about, yet it could be hurting your health more than you know. Dizziness and fainting are dangers of hot water. We all enjoy a hot shower, especially on a cold morning, but did you know that hot water can be bad for older people? Taking a shower in water that is too hot might make your blood vessels widen, which can drop your blood pressure. This is an issue since it makes you more likely to feel lightheaded or dizzy. Older people have a harder time controlling their blood pressure, so standing in a hot shower can make them feel lightheaded. What's going on with your body? When you take a hot shower, blood pools in your legs, which slows down the flow of blood to your brain. This drop in blood pressure is what makes you feel dizzy or faint. If you've ever felt dizzy after getting out of a hot shower, you know what this is like. What can you do to keep yourself safe? Keep the water in your shower at a safe, mild temperature of 98 degrees Fahrenheit to 102 degrees Fahrenheit. If you start to feel dizzy, you should stop. Take a few minutes to sit down in the shower and let your body get used to it. Before you get in the shower, use a thermometer to check the water temperature. This little item can keep you from getting burned or passing out. You might not have thought about this, but your heart could be under stress while you shower. Let's find out why. Stress on your heart and blood vessels. People always say that baths are pleasant, but they might actually be bad for your heart, especially if you already have cardiac problems. Your heart has to work harder to pump blood through your body when hot water makes your blood vessels bigger. This extra tension can be bad for older people who already have heart problems. Even if you don't have a known heart problem, standing in a hot shower can put a lot of stress on your heart and cause it to beat out of sync, or even cause a heart attack. How does this work? Standing in a hot shower makes your heart beat faster to keep blood flowing. This extra stress can be bad for you if your heart or blood vessels are already weak. How can you keep your heart safe?